Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I revive my curls using the maximum hydration method. As you can see, my hair is looking pretty dry right now. I haven't washed my hair in a couple of weeks just because I've been so busy. So yeah, I just want to do like a really serious treatment right now just to hydrate my curls and keep my hair moisturized for longer, which is what the maximum hydration method does. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I do my maximum hydration method. Actually, the maximum hydration method helps to hydrate your hair and keep it moisturized for longer. Those who are having dry hair, sometimes you moisturize your hair but you find that it's always dry, so you need to do this method. So the first step is to clarify your hair. You want to begin with clean hair. So I'm going to be clarifying my hair using apple cider vinegar. So I'll be using this particular brand because this is what I could find. If you have the other brand from Bragg's, you can use that, but this is what I found and it's fine. So I'm just going to do half and half water and half apple cider vinegar. So yeah, I'm going to use that on my scalp and massage it in. Before applying the apple cider vinegar to my hair, I have to saturate my hair. So yeah, I just saturated my hair with water and I'll go ahead to apply it. Using an applicator bottle as usual always makes things easier, so I'll begin by applying to my scalp and then to the length of my hair. Just want to target your scalp because of the product buildup and the dirt buildup. We want to use the apple cider vinegar to lift up that dirt, so you just want to gently massage your scalp. Apple cider vinegar is known to clarify your hair, soften it as well as make it very shiny. So yeah, it's always good to do an apple cider vinegar rinse on your hair. So this step is very important because, like I said before, it helps to clarify your hair, and you want to begin all of these processes or all these steps with a clean scalp and clean hair. So yeah, I'll just proceed and apply it all over my hair and scalp and just massage it in. So I just rinsed off my hair, rinsed off the apple cider vinegar solution from my hair, and yeah, my hair feels really soft. So moving on to the next step, as you can see, my hair looks a little bit dry because I took a little moment to do something. But yeah, I'm back, and this next step is to either deep condition or co-wash your hair. So I'm opting for the co-wash, so I'm going to use my rinse out conditioner for that. So yeah, I'll go ahead and apply the conditioner to my hair and then just gently detangle. So this step, you want to deep condition or co-wash and detangle your hair. If you've made it this far, please do consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on your post notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And if you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Right now, it's the dry season or Harmattan season, and it's so hard to keep moisture in your hair. So this method is really much needed in this season. So yeah, I find myself doing this a lot because like my hair tends to be dry during this season, like no matter what I do. So yeah, this is what helps me to retain moisture during this season. Let me know in the comment section below how you treat your hair during the dry season or the Harmattan season or during winter. So like, how do you treat your hair? Just kindly leave us what you do to your hair during this season to keep it moisturized. So yeah, we finished moisturizing, and this is all the shedding I got, and I just went ahead and rinsed off the conditioner, and this is how my hair looks like. So moving on to the third step. The third step consists of a clay wash. So I'm going to use a clay mask, and the mask I'm going to be using today is kaolin clay. You guys already know I have a video on my channel how I mixed and apply this kaolin clay to my hair, so you can check that out. It's very detailed. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the kaolin clay to my hair. So this actually helps to remove buildup from your scalp and your hair. Like, it's a hair detox mask. It helps to detox your hair from every impurity and all the toxins and all of that. So yeah, this is really actually a very nice step. I love the way it makes my curls pop. So yeah, I'm applying kaolin clay. If you do not have kaolin clay, you can use any other clay like bentonite clay, Rasul clay, and whichever clay you have available to detox your scalp. Guys, see how my curls are popping, like seriously. I just love to watch this, like my curls are so popping. I just washed the clay off my hair and you can see my curls are still popping, well defined. So yeah, you can already see the hydration. The fourth step is to go ahead and apply your leave-in conditioner, which is what I'm doing. So I'm just going to work in sections. Yeah, I'll go ahead, apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I'll move on to step 5. So step 5 is to apply gel to your hair. So after applying the leave-in conditioner, I'll go ahead and apply my Eco Styler olive oil gel to my hair. So yeah, that's the fifth and the final step to this maximum hydration method. You just want to go ahead, apply your leave-in conditioner, apply your gel. I'll just continue the 2 last steps until my entire hair is covered, and I'll just go ahead and do the shingle method just to define my curls, as well as the praying hand method. Yeah, so guys, that's what I'll do, and then I'll proceed to twisting my hair. I like to twist my hair personally. You can just maybe apply your leave-in conditioner and your gel and let your hair dry like that. But for me, I like to twist my hair and let it dry before I unravel it. But yeah, you can choose whatever style you want to do after applying these products. So yeah, guys, let's continue the application. So it's been said that you're supposed to do this maximum hydration method for 7 days straight. Mind you, this is very time consuming and very tasking, so yeah, it consumes most of my day. So if you want to go ahead and do it 7 days straight, it's up to you, but I'm not going to do it. I think my hair is hydrated enough. But if you feel like your hair is too dry and you want to do all these steps every single day for 7 days, that's up to you. Because they said when you do this, your hair reaches its maximum hydration on the 7th day. But I believe mine is hydrated enough, so I'm not going to go into that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Please do consider subscribing and like this video.